Hey guys, it's me, Lakeland, and today I'm going to be doing my slime collection. Sorry, these are all stacked. I was trying to make it cool for my thumbnail. My ass. Yeah. Oh, there's my bag. I have to go grab a new one. I was playing with one of my times, so yeah. I might have to activate some because I haven't been playing with them. I know. Lakeland, what are you doing? But yeah. I was just playing with this one. I'm going to move this placemat because it's really freaking annoying. I don't want my freaking slime to stick on them. Oh, and guys, if you are wondering, freaking is not a bad word. Don't say that in the comments. Like, you're like a 6-year-old saying freaking. It's a bad word. It's not. I'm not. By the way, don't put hate comments in this video or in any of my videos because that just hurts my heart. So this is my first slime. I just made it about an hour ago. It is a ocean blue color with gold sparkles in it. If you can see that. Here, I'll spread it. Let me see if it's a butter slime. This is a butter slime. I did not add clay. So, wait. I'll show y'all. See, butter slime. Sorry, guys. There will be some noise in the background. Don't mind that. That's my aunt. It's lunch.
Where are you going? I think I have a thermometer somewhere. Yeah, it was real high when I was there. Yeah. It was like low grade, like 99. Yeah.
I'm just sticking this back in here. Oh gosh, I've played with this on for 2 weeks. Trying to get it.
Like 99, so yeah.
Okay, so that's this slime. It's kind of overpacked in the Ziploc bag. I like using Ziploc bags now because they're just like not so much money. I have this next slime. It fizzes when I leave it alone, so I really like this slime. Oh, it's so soft. I added like half a lotion bottle to this one, so it'll be super soft. This is a butter slime. First of all, I do not use clay to make butter slimes. I use lots of lotion. It does make a soft consistency. Whoa, guys. This is not the green that you're seeing. It is so light. It's like amazing. I love it. It's one of my fave glossy slimes. Oh my gosh, guys. You don't even know this texture. Oh. Guys. Oh, I just got glue in it. Okay, so I cannot stop playing with this one. This is like my main to-go slime. Like, I will bring this everywhere. This is like my number one slime for road trips. Like, I bring a little desktop on road trips. I will show you this is a butter slime. Let me get it in its form for a satisfying butter slime video. That is not a good swirl, but okay. Y'all can see that's a butter slime. Hashtag fave butter slime. This is a glossy butter slime, so yeah. It is green, a green glossy slime, but yeah. Some noise is going on in the background. These are hard to close. There we go. Some slime got stuck on me. Okay, that's okay though. Next I have some Chips Ahoy. JK! Yo, it's slime. You can use any kind of container. Like, I like to use, like, little containers. They're super cute. And you're like, hey, I got food for the road trip. your friends are like, "Can I have some?" And you're like, "Sure." And you give them slime, and they're like, "Is this slime or something? What is this?" My parents are like, "What is this?" This is my peach glitter slime. It's super soft. Whee! You can pack your slimes in water bottles and anything that's a container. I mean, like if you get some food, keep it in that. If you have a really big slime, make sure to wash it out though, and make sure it's not plastic, because some can go through plastic. And this is a self-deflate slime, so it has to deflate itself. I had to take like half of it out. But I put that in another container, but I'm not going to be showing it because I mean, like, it's the same thing. So I have this blue slime. This is like one of my favorites. After the green one and that other blue one. This one is a blue glitter slime. It got a little bit hard, so I added a little bit too much detergent. But it's still very fun to play with. It isn't like a flubber right now, but it's super stretchy. It's kind of a glossy slime. It is a butter slime. I don't think that peach one is. Oh, guys, I made a bubble. I was trying to move it so y'all could see. You know, hashtag, I'm just telling y'all guys, if y'all poke y'all's bubbles, it turns more stretchy. This one was one of my bad, horrible, I hated it slimes. But now it's my third favorite. Like, guys, just because I popped the bubbles when I made them. Like, wait. Look at my Oreos. Okay, so next, I'm going to have to reactivate this one, I think. I use clear tie with this. There's some bubbles, too.
One of them things, honey.
Mom, I'm making a YouTube video. Shush.
Yeah.
Back up, but
They're my YouTube
I went
video.
over there was, like I told Ed, they had 3 people where he just had one.
Uh-huh.
They had 3 Mexican ones. But they did get, there's some,
Alright, guys, for the background noise. Okay, I do not need to reactivate this one.
They look good. She said I talked to Imelda and she said they're going to start painting.
So this is my Froyo slime. It is a butter slime. It has a really good click.
I know. You want some? Yeah, that would be good, Joby. Yeah.
It is a little sticky. Oh wow, this mini is 7 minutes. I've only gone through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slimes. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 slimes. I actually have like 12 or 13, but I sold some. Yeah. And I don't want to put some in the video because I don't like them very much. It's not my favorite slime collection. This next one, I just hurt my pinky. I smashed it. Next one is a fluffy slime. Well, it was a fluffy slime, but I think it's upgraded. That's why it has fizzies on the top. Look at the fizzies! I have put like half a bottle of shaving cream, like a lot of shaving cream in this. Just listen. My dog wants to be the video dog. Look at my sweet Jackson. Say hi. What should I call you guys? Should we call ourselves the Blake fam? I don't know. It's dog fam. This one is a little rough. After the video, but y'all. This one is pretty stretchy. Oh. It is pretty stretchy, kind of. I'll have to fix that one after the video, and I'll show you how it transformed. This is it right now, kind of hard, not really. Stretchy. I'm gonna line them up like this. Put it over here. Like, why are you putting them in the shot, girl? And this next one is 3 slimes combined. I don't really like it. It's super hard, so I'll have to add some lotion. So, yeah. It is one of my classic slimes, but it's not. I like all foods. I'm trying to close this and it's not working, so I just don't stand so much. I can only do 15 minutes and under for a video because I just don't like it, and that's what my brother does. He does like 2 minutes. Go follow Max Overdrive Gaming. Like, he put outer space at the end. I don't remember. This is my blueberry muffin slime. Someone is going to buy this. I think if you want to buy from me, just private message me and I will help you try and get one of my slimes. They will be in the same thing that I have them in. You can even buy that glossy slime. This green glossy slime that I love very, very, very much. It's like my favorite. If you take it, I will kill you. I'm getting. Ow. I got an ant bite. A mosquito bite right there, if you can see. It's just a dog. Nothing's weird going on behind me. You're thinking of that, you dirty-minded person. Like if something, like, licking something, like, ugh. I know people out there that are dirty-minded. My brother's dirty-minded. He thinks a lot of things. A lot. It's like, Blakely, you're disgusting. I was like, boy, we are on to our last one. We need to make it the queen. Because she is a queen. Okay, y'all need to move. I'm gone. Okay, no. No, we're not. Okay, we're going. We're Gucci. Get on over you. Okay. I have this slime. It is kind of sticky, kind of not. It is a green gold slime. I love gold. Just like yellow, gold, like glitter is like my life. I will have to reactivate this one, so I'm gonna go get my activator. I do have a gallon of glue, if you were wondering. I can't just buy a bunch of black glues. Hashtag not sponsored, because I don't want to edit this out, because I don't feel good. I have to go to a dance thing later, so yeah. 2 hours. And it takes me 3 hours to edit, so I don't feel like it. Ooh, I added a lot. It's gonna make it hard. You know, if you take little bits, it's like stir up. It's hashtag stir up. So it does start to feel gluey, like back in the glue, but I promise. Okay, so I'm teaching y'all how to fix sticky slimes. So add your activator. If you use contact solution, I'd add more baking soda and more contact solution. But I use Tide. I have a whole thing of contact solution, but I don't really like to use it because I can't find my baking soda. Something just got in here, and this is one of my favorite slimes. Okay, so I'm just going to mix this. I'm not going to edit this out because I don't feel like it, as I told you. Okay, we are at 13 minutes. It will start to get stringy. Little things will start to get on your, you're washing your table Tide. Oh, shit. Look on the floor. I'm going to see what I got in this. This big chunk of food just got in here. Okay, I threw that away. Whee! Okay, guys, so I'm just going to fix this, like, by myself. So I will see you later. Bye!